What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a great day because I'm having a decent day because it's actually nice out for once. It's like 70 degrees outside, so yeah, it's starting to get windy, of course. But I have some exciting news to talk about today because I got a sponsor that I mentioned in my last video, or 2 videos ago, or 3 videos ago, about a cleaning company. I was in contact with them, we got some things in, so I'm gonna go get those so I can show you guys. So the products we have today are from rev-auto, and I got to talk to them through Instagram. I saw some posts about them, and I've been wanting a cleaning company to sponsor me for the longest time because as a car person, you know how it is, your car gets dirty. And especially in the winter, it is super hard to keep your car clean with all the salt and everything. So I'm in contact with this company, rev-auto, and we got some products we're gonna try out today. First thing we're gonna try, actually, is gonna be the Hydro Wash. Then we got some Serum X and some Neo Armor. So the Hydro Wash is a waterless car wash, so you spray it on, wipe it off, keeps the car clean. The Serum X that I have right here, this is a quick detailer, so it's gonna keep it, you know, it's gonna get it really shiny, you know, how you like your car. And with the BRZ, there's a lot of really deep flakes in the car, so I'm hoping that this really makes them pop. It's not the most sunny day outside today, but I'm hoping it still like makes them pop a bit. And then we got the Neo Armor, which is, this is like a protection thing. I believe on the website it said it's kind of like equivalent to like a ceramic coat sort of product, so it keeps everything, you know, protected. So we're gonna use all 3 of these today, and I'm gonna try to keep this video short for you guys so you guys actually watch. And then at the end of the video, I might have a little surprise for you guys too. So the first thing I'm gonna try is this waterless car wash. I've never actually used one of these before. I've heard a lot of cool things about them. I actually got my good tripod back because I found a little thing. So I'm just gonna do a little time lapse of, I guess, me doing it for you guys. So I moved my car because our our mail lady was coming and she's like 3 or 4 hours late. So I moved my car for her and then she just looked at me and kept going, "I moved my car for you. I don't know why you gotta be like mean about it, but whatever." We've had problems with this lady before, like she just kind of skips our houses. If there's like something on our curb, I don't know. How can you complain about mail people? So I think we need a new one. Well, I'm gonna, I guess, finish washing the car over here. So far it seems like it's doing a pretty decent job. I mean, it's what you expect out of a car wash, I guess. Everything looks pretty good. I'm not sure if the camera really picks anything up, but it's like pretty good, so I'm gonna finish it up and then I'm gonna get the spray detail out. Alright, so I'm done with the Hydro Wash, and you know, I would say it did what as advertised. I mean, it's pretty shiny actually. It looks like you just kind of rolled out of a car wash. I mean, it's not the sunniest day outside and the sparkles really aren't showing too much, but here's the part that I'm excited for now. So the product I was super excited for was the Serum X. Now this is supposed to be your super duper shiny shit. I'm excited to try this one out. I've used detailer sprays in the past. I don't even know what brand I was using before, but I liked how it came out. Now the sun's coming out, I don't know actually if the camera's even gonna be able to pick up the sparkles. I don't think it will, but I'm excited to try this one out. So I'm gonna try this and I'll let you guys know how it is. So I don't know if you've ever used like sprays like this before, but the thing is you really gotta like buff them out or else you get this. And I don't know if you can even see it, but it looks like an oil spill. So you just gotta make sure you're actually like working it pretty good. But look how shiny that hood is now. I'm gonna say Serum X is working pretty well. It's very shiny. You just gotta make sure that you're like working it into the paint or else you get these like marks that don't look very good. So I'm just gonna do the rest of the car and then we'll try their last product out. I'm not sure how much the camera can pick up, but she looks like a mirror right now. The Serum X did a really good job. I mean, if you can see some reflections, man. The Serum X did a good job. Just make sure you know you're working it very well. It's hard living in Pennsylvania because we don't have the most dry conditions. It's definitely gonna rain soon, but we also have a lot, really known for our shitty roads. And even like watching, like just doing my bumper, I couldn't get a lot of the stuff off with the stuff I'm using right now. So that's a bit of an issue. I need to power wash it. So lastly, we got our Neo Armor, which is supposed to be like the protectant and just protect everything from everything. So we're gonna try this now and I'll let you guys know what I think. Now, my initial reaction with the Neo Armor is it's definitely a lot more work to get off. Like the Hydro Wash was definitely the easiest to get off. That one just came right off easily. Serum X took some effort, but not too much. But like, I don't know if you can even see. This one's definitely tough to get off. It says you have to buff dry it out, which, no, that's what I'm doing. But yeah, this one definitely is leaving a lot more marks and a lot harder to get out. Hydro Wash kind of smelled like dish soap. Serum X smells like coconut. This last one smells like shit. all in all, I think the car looks pretty good right now. I'll give you a little walk around. I'm gonna go wash my hands now because there's chemicals all over my hands. All right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for recording today. My dog's running away. Hold up. She's been doing this new thing now. She thinks it's fun to just run away, and I don't know why. But I want to thank Rev-Auto for sponsoring me and giving me some cleaning products for my car, because that's something every car person needs. I'm pretty sure they left me a discount code. I'm gonna put it right here. I hope it's right there. That'd be really clutch if it's right there. I'm gonna put it right there for you guys. You know, I want you guys to try them out. So far, I like the product. A little bit hard to get some of the stuff off, but with a little bit of, you know, that elbow grease right there, you should have no problem getting it off. So far, shine looks good. We'll see. It's supposed to rain tonight. It's not supposed to cure for like an hour, I'm pretty sure. So, I mean, I'll see how it is in the rain. Everything should, you know, just ball up like wax. But, you know, we'll definitely see what happens. Check out Rev-Auto on Instagram. I believe they also have a YouTube. I should have more products for them coming in. Not sure when, but, you know, we're doing business. I have some more parts coming in. The mail person just kind of skipped my house, and I'm pretty sure they had a package of mine in there. So, I have to wait to do that install now. I have another part coming from, you know, I'm not gonna put the name of where it's coming from because it's another sponsor. Your boy's getting sponsors now. Thanks for like watching my videos, guys. There's like 20 of you guys that like consistently watch my videos, and I really appreciate you guys. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try to keep my videos a little bit shorter now because the whole YouTube algorithm says keep it above 10 minutes, but a lot of you guys aren't watching that long. You guys only watch like 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm gonna try to start keeping my videos shorter, so hopefully I can retain some more people. We are at like 260 some subscribers. We're starting to run out of time for our March deadline. I hope we can still do it. I believe in you guys. If you guys are sharing, telling your friends to subscribe, that's just always helping me out. All right, so yeah, thanks to Rev-Auto for this video today. I would say yeah, try their products. I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna have to give you a review after it rains and everything to see how it actually is. Yeah, but thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun shit, all the fun shit. Keep doing you guys. Peace out. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Next level.